So hello guys, today I will be going to tell you the technique how to take out the squares from 1 to 100 in very easy way. After seeing this video, you will be able to take out the squares from 1 to 100 in only just 10 seconds, and that also without pen and paper. So let's start. So for this there is compulsion that you should be learn 1 to 30 squares, right? If your 1 to 30 squares are learned, then only you can apply all these techniques, right? So we will start. First, see, mainly there are 3 techniques with which we can solve. That first is reverse, second is base 50, and third is base 100, right? First we will take an example of reverse method. So let's take one example. Let's take 39. Yes. So what reverse method tells us? That's very common. With the help of reverse method, we can do a square plus 2ab plus b square. Oh yeah, it is very common method. So we have to take out the square of 9, that is 81. 8 carry, 9 3s are 27. It's double 54. 54 plus 8, that's 62. Yeah, 2 6 carry, 3 square 9. 9 plus 6. This is the square of 39. Right, this was the reverse method, right? So now I will tell you base 50 method. This base 50 method is very useful and very easy method to take out the squares. We can say from 30 to 75. Alright, let's take one examples. Let's take 57 square. If you do it by reverse method, 7 square 49, 7 5 are 35. It's very difficult. Now what to do is we have to just see that 57 is equals to 50 plus 7, right? We have added 7 in 50, so we will add 7 in 25, right? If we are adding 7 in 25, it will result to 32. Now what we have to do is we have to write the square of 7, that is 49. So this is the square of 57. It's very simple. Let's take one more example. Let's take 43, right? 43 is 50 minus 7. So we will subtract 25 and 7. It will be 18, and as we have subtracted 7, we will write the square of 7, that is 49. Yeah. Now let's see the third example, that is, let's take 67. Yeah, 67 is equals to 50 plus 17, right? So now what we will do is we will add 17 and 25, right? If we add 25 and 17, it will result to, I guess it's 42, right? Now what we have added is 17, so we have to add 17 square to it, but not in that way. 17 square is 289. How I add this? Remember only one thing, 316 and 317 are two main numbers, right? 316 square is of 5 digit, and 317 square onwards, 316 before and 317 after is 6 digit. So here we are getting 4 digit number, right? So it will be 4489. This is the square of 67. Yeah. Now let's take example of 87. How you will solve it? Oh, if it's then 50 plus 37, so we will add 37 to 25. It will add. So what here we will do is 87 is equals to 100 minus what, minus 13. Yeah, so we will subtract 13 from 87, right? That will be results to 74. And what we have subtracted is 13. What is square of 13? 169. Square is, yeah, 7569. So easy. Let's take one more example. Let's take 83 square. 83 is how much less than 100? 17. We will subtract 17 from this. What will be the answer? 66. Yes, 66. And what we have subtracted is 17. So 17 square is 289. If we add the 6889. This is the square of 83, right? This is very simple technique to find the square of with the base method. Yeah, with 100 as base method, you can take out the squares from 75 square to 999 square. These squares you can take out with this method if you learn this method very easily. Okay, now let's take one more example. Let's take 119 square. Now it's very simple. What we have added to 100, this will be equals to 100 plus 19, right? So what we'll do is 119 plus 19. This again, yeah, it will be 138, right? Now what we'll do is 19 square is what? What is 19 square? You should be learned 1 to 30 squares for these methods. Okay, 19 square is 361. When we will add this, it will be 14161. Yeah, this is the square of 119, right? So this we can use this for any number. Let's take 123 square. Now what we have added 123, it is 100 plus 23. So we will add again 23 in this. It will be 146. Now what is square of 23? 23 square is 529, right? So when we will add this, it will be 9. This is the square of 123. It's very simple method. You can calculate, but you have to practice on this. Okay, so after this, if you ask how to take out the square of 193 square, oh, it's very big number. We cannot do it like this, that 100 plus 93. So we will add again 93 in this. Okay, this I will tell you in next video. Okay, so which method you like most, you can tell me in that. Poll for the whichever method you have liked most, poll for it. I will teach you next time the squares from, I guess, 150 to 999, right?